تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير تحلق في ثقافات وتنهل.
Is a salmon from Norway. It weighs a kilogram and it's going to be our dinner tonight. It looks amazingly delicious, and with this, in the background, we're going to have the mushroom rice, and so now we're going to marinate it so it tastes nice and looks even more tasty. Let's go ahead and marinate this.
We are going to marinate the salmon.
في ربى السحر مزون العز ترسلها بكف الحب والطهر تقبل صاحي.
So this is the salmon out of the packet. It's on top of the foil. So now we've taken the salmon out of the packet and we put it into a tray with foil so it can be marinated.
Ready to be marinated. The marination is going to go on the salmon.
So this is the marinade for the salmon. It has chili, salt, vinegar and honey in it, and it smells very delicious. Important part of cooking, the salt. So right now I'm going to sprinkle it. Done.
تخرج حلمك الأغنى فما الروض بالزهر إليك.
We've added some spices to it.
فرحة العمر فينمو الورد بساما وينشر أطيب العطر وتحيا في نجاحات بنور الحق والنصر. تخرج حلمك الأغلى فما الروض بالزهر إليك تهنئة تلون فرحة.
First we need to turn it on and then put it onto gas mask 200.
The oven is
في نجاحات بنور الحق والنصر.
Kids cannot go next to the ovens is because they're too hot, and only grown-ups is because they're bigger. The grown-ups can go next to the oven because it's too hot. Grown-ups can go next to the oven, and no kids is because the oven is hot.
ظلمته وتشرق بسمة الفجر.
Put something in the oven. First find the oven gloves. Here. Then put them on. Then we need to open the oven door. And then we need to put the tray or whatever you have inside. Now the fish is good to go. Right now the salmon looks like it's done, so we need to switch it on. Right now I just took the salmon out of the oven, very fresh from the oven, fresh baked. Ready to eat.
It's time to eat.
These are the sides for the salmon. Yum.
تخرج حلمك الأغلى فما الروض.
I'm going to chop the salmon into pieces, scoop it up, make sure it doesn't break, put it on the plate. Done. Now for the oven. Now the moment of truth, time to eat it. That is actually good.
أغلى فما الروض بالزهر إليك تهنئة تلون فرحة العمر فينمو الورد بساما وينشر أطيب العطر وتحيا الأغلى فما الروض بالزهر إليك تهنئة تلون فرحة العمر